This video is to show you how to install the automated wardrobe lift XL from StorageMotion. Attach both the left and right housings to the cabinet sides using the 20mm flathead screws. Be sure the back of the housing is at least 9 inches from the back of the closet so the clothes will not hit the back of the closet when in the up position. With housing in correct position as shown, mark screw holes for drilling the holes. We recommend drilling pilot holes. Be sure the sides are aligned with each other. Raise the gravity-assisted arms to check for any binding or scraping and that the arms move freely at all times. Next, measuring from the left side, where the motor head is, size and cut the metal motor tube. The tube should be cut 1.5 inches less than the inside dimension of the closet opening. You can use a pipe cutter with a 2-inch diameter, hacksaw, or a chop saw with a fine-tooth cutting blade using a 60 to 80 tooth wood cutting blade. Measure the closet opening from left to right where you will mount the motor tube. Be sure to mount 3 inches down from the top of the closet to ensure the strap material will not rub on the top of the cabinet. To attach the straps to the motor tube, insert the black cap on the right side of the tube. Measure 5/8 from the side and place the outer edge of the strap with the X side down against tube. This ensures that the straps are the same length when lifting. Make sure the strap seam is facing up, so it does not rub on the roller as the lift raises. Now attach the metal clip provided to hold the strap in place while drilling a hole through the tube using a 3/32 bit. At this time, attach the strap with the small anchor screw that is provided. Do not skip this step. It is critical to ensure the closet rod remains level with continued use. Next, mount the idler bracket on the right side of the closet, measuring 3 inches down from the top and 5 inches from the back. Be sure the U-shape is facing up as shown. Place the double-sided tape provided under each screw hole of the bracket. Now secure the idler bracket using 2 provided number 10 screws. Now place the motor bracket on the left-hand side of the closet measuring 3 inches from the top and 5 inches from the back. Ensure that the mounting brackets on each side are lined up precisely. Place a piece of double-sided tape under each screw hole of the motor bracket and mount on the left-hand side of the closet using 2 number 10 screws. Next, cut the clothes rail 1.5 inches shorter than the inside width of closet opening and drill small holes 1 inch from both ends with a 3/32 bit. Add 2 collars to each end of the clothes rail and 2 end caps. Now place the plastic washer on the idler roller on the right-hand side of the motor tube. Then mount the left side of the tube and the motor mount on the left-hand side of the closet, then fit the groove of the plastic idler roller into the idler bracket on the right-hand side of the closet. Make sure the white reset button on the motor is facing up. Insert the cotter pin into the hole on the end of the motor head. Do not skip this step. Without the cotter pin properly installed as shown, the motor tube could fall. To attach the straps to the clothes rail, unwrap the straps by hand. Depending on your strap color, you'll find either a small silver or black anchor screw. Use this screw to pierce through the strap material. Place the rail in the loops at the end of the straps 1/2 inch from edge of the tube. Now screw the straps onto the clothes rail. Now drape the straps over the top of the brass spindles on both arms. If the clothes rail is crooked, you will need to adjust the position of the strap on the right-hand side of the motor tube. This can be done by removing the anchor screw, then moving the strap forward or backward on the clothes rail until it is even with the left side. Create a new screw hole in the right strap to hold the alignment. If the unit is not being hardwired by an electrician, connect the plug to the motor cord. The brass screw goes with the black wire, the silver screw with the white wire, and the green screw goes with the green wire for the ground. Now we need to set the upper and lower close bar positions on the remote. This enables the bar to an exact stop and start position and can be repeated when the lift is in use. Also, remember, the limits can be set and reset hundreds of times. If you mess up or want to change the limits, it's easy to do. To set the up position, slide open the top of the remote and press and hold the white button on the left. Now press the black up button. When the close pull has reached the desired position, press the center black button to set the limit. To set the down limit, press and hold the left white button located under the cover, then press the down black button. When the close pull is at the desired position, press the black center button to stop the motor. To test the limits, press the up button to test the up position. Now press the down button to test the down position. Thank you for purchasing your units. There is a troubleshooting guide for anything that may come up, where you can always contact tech support at 704-746-3700.